Let's design this template in PowerPoint just by simple tricks. Don't forget, subscribe now and like this video and share it to any person that you know. Add a picture that you want, set it for your background. Insert it, crop it to size of your background. Change the color to the black and white and go to the picture format. Go to artistic effect and add blur option box and select picture transparency and put it in 70%. Now cut your picture. Right click on your background, go to File Background and select picture texture fill. Go to a clipboard and select it. We want to add some shapes. Go to shapes and select triangle. Draw a triangle in size that you want. Put it here. Duplicate it and rotate. Duplicate again and rotate again. Select all of them and move them. Duplicate this triangle again and make it bigger. Select it and change the shape fill color to black and remove its outline. Add your text. Select your shape and then your title. Go to shape format, merge shape and select combine. Select the first triangle. Go to picture and texture fill and insert the picture that you want from your file. Go to picture format and change the color of picture to black and white. In fill, you can move your picture. Do it for other triangle. And unmark this box, rotate with shape. Select all of them. Remove the outline. Add some effect, shadow effect. Change its size and blur option. Add another triangle. Remove its fill. Change the color of outline and width of that. Duplicate this triangle. Rotate it and put it here. Draw in this slide. Put it in black. And then bring it out of your slide. Duplicate this slide. Bring this title and this triangle out of your slide. Rectangle into your slide. Move this triangle here. Go to the selection pane and change the position of this triangle and bring it to front and make it smaller. Select all these pictures. In first step, group them, rotate them, make it smaller, put it here. This grid line can help you to arrange your picture better. These pictures need to unmark this, rotate with shape. Okay? Also these two and this two. Now, select your first picture. Ungroup these pictures. Select the first one, bring it here. Change the shape. Go to picture format, crop to shape and change it to the rectangle. Rotate it. Make it bigger. Go to Picture Format, Crop, and select Fill. Move your picture to the position that you want and crop it. Go to the color option and select the color of your picture. Add your text. Back to the first slide. In this slide, select your picture and in selection pane, change the name of this picture. But before changing your name in this bar, add 2 exclamation marks and write the title or name that you want. I add number 1. Okay, do it for all these pictures. Add 2 exclamation marks and then write the name. And this triangle too. Back to slide. This slide, do it for these pictures again. Back to this slide and change the number as same as you done in first slide. Now, duplicate this slide. Change the shape of this rectangle to the triangle. Go to Picture Format, Crop to Shape and change it to this size, but change it to this same size. And change the color to the black and white. Rotate this picture and bring it here. Select all these shapes. Move them. Select the second picture. Change the size. Use this same size. Crop to shape rectangle. Bring it to top. Rotate it. Use these grid lines for arranging better. And in the last step, change the color and title. Do the same way that you learned up to here for these templates. See this rest of this video. For last step, select all your slide. Go to Transition and select Morph Transition. Select the first slide, go to Slideshow and see what's happened. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.